Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some grandma style cottage decorating ideas. Let's take a look. Here are some practical tips for creating a grandma style modern cottage home. Stick vintage books on coffee tables, side tables, or shelves to create charming decorative displays. Choose classic floral wallpaper for one accent wall instead of covering the entire room. Mix ceramic and stoneware dishes for a collected over time look instead of matching every page. Use antique style mirrors with distressed wood or ornate frames to reflect light and make rooms feel larger. Add a vintage clock to the kitchen or living room as a timeless focal point. Choose classic striped or gingham fabrics to complement floral prints and add variety. Decorate with glass jars filled with dried flowers, baking ingredients, or seasonal decorations. Include wicker furniture in a sunroom, reading nook, or porch to bring natural texture indoors. Let imperfections add character. Slightly worn wood, aged brass, faded fabrics, and handcrafted items make the home feel authentic and lovingly lived in, rather than perfectly polished. Style your fireplace mantle with vintage candlesticks, framed botanical prints, and a small vase of seasonal flowers. Use bedboard or shiplap on one wall to add classic cottage-core texture without overwhelming the room. Choose furniture with turned legs on tables, chairs, and cabinets for a traditional cottage look. Create simple table centerpieces using fresh flowers, vintage pictures, candles, or woven baskets filled with seasonal fruit. Decorate with old wooden crates to store blankets, books, or magazines while adding rustic charm. Hang vintage-style wall hooks in the entryway or kitchen for hats, aprons, baskets, or oven bags. Use embroidered pillowcases and soft cotton bedding to make the bedrooms feel cozy and nostalgic. Display a collection of ceramic pitchers or teapots on shelves or inside a glass cabinet. Add a small wooden stool beside a chair or bathtub to hold books, plants, or candles. Choose warm wood tones like oak, pine, or walnut to make your home feel welcoming and timeless. Decorate with vintage-inspired baskets filled with dried flowers, knitting supplies, or rolled-up straws. Create a cozy breakfast nook with a round wooden table, cushioned chairs, and a vase of fresh garden flowers. Use linen tablecloths and cloth napkins instead of disposable items to add everyday elegance. Decorate with vintage baskets on walls or shelves for texture and practical storage. Keep pantry items in glass jars with simple handwritten labels for a neat and charming cottage look. Add a small vintage vanity with a framed mirror and a ceramic vase filled with fresh blooms. Choose classic porcelain or stoneware dishes in soft colors for open shelving displays. Place a rocking chair in a quiet corner with a knitted blanket and a small side table for a relaxing retreat. Use floral or gingham seat cushions on dining chairs to make them more comfortable and inviting. Decorate windowsills with potted herbs, vintage bottles, or ceramic figurines. Display handmade pottery alongside antique pieces to blend old world charm with modern craftsmanship. Use oven trays to organize candles, books, or tea cups on coffee tables and countertops. Hang soft linen cafe curtains in the kitchen to provide privacy while letting in plenty of natural light. Decorate with a vintage hut to display china, tea cups, cookbooks, and treasured collectibles. Layer your bedding with crisp white sheets, a floral quilt, and a knitted throw for a luxurious, cozy look. Use antique-style side tables beside modern sofas to create a balanced mix of old and new. Choose classic floral lampshades to soften lighting and add timeless charm. Add a vintage-style rug runner in hallways or the kitchen to make these spaces feel warmer. Display old wooden cutting boards against the kitchen backsplash for both decoration and function. Use wicker picnic baskets as decorative storage for blankets, craft supplies, or magazines. Create a tea display with a vintage teapot, matching cups, and a wooden tray on the countertop. Decorate with dried wood, cotton stems, or eucalyptus for a natural, long-lasting arrangement. Add breadboard details to kitchen islands, cabinets, or bathroom walls for classic cottage character. Hang vintage-inspired wall sconces with warm bulbs to create a soft, welcoming glow. Decorate with vintage copper pots and kettles displayed on open shelves or hanging racks. Add sculpted edged shelves to showcase small plants, teacups, and treasured collectibles. Mix old glass bottles with fresh flowers for simple, elegant centerpieces. Display oven market baskets near the front door for both decoration and everyday use. Use wooden trays to group candles, books, and small decorative items on coffee tables. Hang pressed flowers in vintage frames to add delicate botanical charm. Add gingham ribbons around flower arrangements, baskets, or curtain tie bags. Keep a handmade quilt folded over the back of a favorite armchair. Create a cozy hallway vignette with a wooden bench, a oven basket, and a vintage mirror. Thanks for watching the video.